Whoa, hey Dodo, comma dot, come look at this dot view. I can't. Am to dot busy looking at dot swan swim. You have been dot looking at her dot for 2 hours. I want dot to play with you. Whoa, that's the dot sun. Am going to dot get tanned. Whoa, is that dot an orange? No, Dodo, is not dot an orange. THATS dot the sun. Orange is the dot biggest star I dot have ever seen. Dude, that's not dot an orange. That's a dot what the? That's not a star. That's a, oh my God. Oh, what happened? What was that? Whoa, is that Bluebird? Welcome to space, Earthlings. Who are you and why did you bring us here? Shut up. I don't like this guy's altitude. I am Bluebird. I have pictures of you guys that you were born. Show us. I am Bluebird and I am Crow's cousin. There is a truth, and the truth there is that you Dodo and Goose will be getting the ride of your life, my bird baskets. I saved you, guys. Once upon a time, there was a brilliant scientist, but all genius grapemen would make him sanity. He spent his entire life abusing dead birds and flightless birds. Great terrifying pupil, and worst yet, he figured out to bring the terrifying ominous monster, called Frankenbird, to life. There was only one thing he needed: 10.000 gigawatts of pure electricity. Thank you for saving us, Dove. That music was scary. Now is time for my story. It all started out on a day just like this, under a sun. Whoa, orange blue droff guacamole star is back. Remember that one time when we gave him a space lift? Nope. But it does have to do something with a hot dog. You see, a gypsy put a curse on it. Every time a sun rotates, hot dog transforms into a gutturally beast. Now has the HALLO.WENIE. Pretty scary stuff, huh? I think the storm is coming closer, you guys. Where is Rooster? He is out walking the hot dog. Am awfully getting freaked out here. Whoa, was that my consciousness?
I am a Frankenmother.
All right, guys, I defeated Frankenbird.